Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the node.js. Today we are going to solve one of the issue which I'm facing, that is error connect, error confuse, this one node mailer. So I'm unable to send the mails using the node mailer. So what exactly the issue is, we are going to learn in this video. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here you can see that I'm facing connect error confuse 127, this 587. That means the node name mailer has the issue. So how to figure out this one? So currently I have added the service SMTP auth, okay, and nothing that I have added. So what we have to add here is we have to use this one code. So I will explain you. So let's check this one, that is auth or anything. Yeah. Okay, so service you have to add, port you have to define, secure true or false you have to add. If it is true for the 465, false for the other options, right? Logger true, so here I'm just logging log where is the connection going and coming, so whether the connection is closed or not, so logger make it true. Debug true. Secure connections to be false because I'm a local host. Okay, so here we have auth, my username and the password. TLS reject unauthorization true, right? So just save this one. These options you have to configure. Now we have to just restart our server, okay, and just send the mail. Okay, and you can see that user this message ID is coming, password reset request is going. You have you have requested this one, and here you can see that connection closed and accepted this one. So let's check whether the email is coming or not. So here you can see that email is coming, right, just now. If I go and just check this one, you can see that just now we have received that email, okay, just now. So this is how you can fix that issue very easily, very quickly, with the help of my video. Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.